Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta on Battle.net step by step. First, open the Battle.net launcher on your PC. Once Battle.net opens, click on the Home tab. Scroll through the home page until you find Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. When you see it, click on Play Now. A window will pop up. Click Continue to move on. Now select the installation folder where you want to install the game. After that, click Continue again. Make sure that Black Ops 7 Beta is checked in the list. Then press Start Install to begin downloading the game. Now just wait while Battle.net downloads and installs the open beta. This might take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Play button appear. Click Play and enjoy Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know how the beta runs for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.